Okay, featuring another crazy saxophone. This is a Martin Typewriter model, aptly named because all the side keys, all the keys have little pearls on them instead of a flat key. Kind of cool. And again, all the side keys, all pearls. And I thought it'd be more uncomfortable to play, but it actually plays fairly nice. This is only the second one I've ever seen, and that one was an old silver one that needed everything. This is in gold plate. And the gold plate, they always go crazy on the engraving, all the way around the bell, all the way down to the joint there. And there's a little cabin scene down here, sort of like the old balanced actions. But bell's in great shape, bottom of the bow's in great shape. Not sure where it's been, but it just came out of an estate. And it's just crazy. Plays really well. The pads are in good shape. Looks like it's been overhauled. Got like the small, about a ½ inch resonator on it. Sort of looks like a Con Reso pad for the pads in it. I'm not sure if you can see them, but they're nice and pretty shape. Probably see it a little bit better on the bell. There you go, with a small resonator. If you put a nice full resonator on, this thing would scream. But right now, it's real mellow yellow. So it's pretty easy to get around. If I don't look at it, it's easier to play because it looks like it's going to be difficult, but it actually fits under your fingers rather nicely. And whisper right down to that low B flat. Pretty cool. Again, gold plate, which is really rare. It's a 99,000 serial number, puts it about 1930. The Martin stuff all burned up in some big factory fires, so their numbers are a little crazy. But as far as I can figure, and by the split bell keys and everything, past the 20s, because there's no little vent octave, there's no little vent key over here like on some of the 20s ones. So, but in just remarkable condition. Just a little bit of a wear through on the thumb right here, where the thumb rests through the gold, and the rest of it's in very nice shape. Usually by now they've been all repaired and buffed out and all the way through the gold, so the gold's in really nice shape still. But again, just buttons everywhere, just totally cool. So we're going to do a little ditty here and try to make it short. Sharp. right away. So plays wonderful. Really cool. They added, I'm not sure if you can see it, but they added a second little bar here off the bridge key. And what it does is when you hit the octave key, it closes, let's see if we can get a better angle. There you go. Closes the C sharp key. And again, they do that on the soprano where Yamaha uses 2 pads and Silmer uses a pad on top of a pad just to get that C sharp in tune. So you can get a nice really nice in tune C sharp, which is a tough note on the saxophone. So anyhow, there it is. Trying to keep it under the 10 minutes, and tons of pearls, typewriter model, 1930, Martin alto saxophone in gold plate. If you want closer up photos, you can go to my webpage, www.stevegraysaxes.com. That's with an AY and saxes plural. SteveGraysaxes.com on the World Wide Weber there. So there it is. Check it out. It's got a nice vintage style case. I'm not sure if it's original, but it's definitely era correct case for it that fits real nice and protective. So there she is. All right, signing off and sayonara.